Hey guys, Jarrett here from Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Right here we have our 2024 Cherokee Grey Wolf 26LK. So right here we have our electric tongue jack. Got this switch right here to make it go up and down, no more cranking. Two 20-pound propane tanks, which you do fill up for free. Then we have our battery rack right here where we give you your free battery. Over here we have our tankless on-demand hot water heater. And then our fresh and our city water connections. Back here we have our hot and cold water outdoor shower with our sewer outlet connections down below. And this is going to be our 30 amp service and our rear cargo rack. Up top is going to be your backup camera that comes with the camper. And over here we have our electric awning with our blue LED strip, outdoor grill, our outdoor fridge with our ice maker, and another outdoor shower next to the cooking area. Two outdoor speakers, and then we have our TV mount right here. So we have our cable connection with two outlets. So we have our nice sturdy solid steps that fold right up into the door. Oversized grab handle. Then we have the floodlights with the Grey Wolf logo. So, starting back in the bedroom, we're going to have his and her closets, one on both sides. And then some overhead storage too. Then these lights right here, you can actually turn off one by one. So if one person likes to read at night or gets up to try to find their way to the bathroom, you don't have to light up the whole room. Back over here, we have a little bit more storage. Make it into a nice little dresser setup, or if you just have blocky stuff, it's a good place to toss it into. TV backer for the bedroom, outlets up top, the cable connection so you can run everything behind the TV so you don't have to see all the wires. Pull down shades on all the windows. That's just a quick view of that other closet. Down below we have our under the bed storage. This is going to connect to the pass-through storage. So if you do have any pets, you can keep the dog food or cat food down below. So you don't really have to store it in the main living area, but you can get to it pretty quick during the day. Coming back to the kitchen, this is our 12-volt compressor fridge. So this is going to run off your 12-volt battery. This camper does come with a 100-watt solar panel up on the roof. So that's going to charge the battery. It's going to give you prolonged life so you can run the fridge for longer. Back here we have quite a bit of counter space around the sink. And for the sink, we have a stainless steel and a nice deep farm sink. Get a wooden cutting board cover, drain rack, and then a wash basin. Or if you don't want any of that, you have the traditional roller mat to cover half of it. We also have the cup washer right there, so if you have cups, whatever, you just press them right down onto it. Water shoots up and cleans it out. 4 outlets right there for your air fryer, margarita machine, blender, whatever you want to bring. Up top, we have the rest of the kitchen storage. We have a spot with all of your manuals right now, but you can toss some cans, spatulas, whatever you want in there. Trash right there, so you don't have to have it out in your living area. Over here, we have the 3-burner cooktop. So you just fold that over. Now you have your built-in backsplash, 3 burners, and then your convection oven down below. Right across from here, we have a TV mount, outlet and cable connections up top. There is quite a bit of room, so you can pretty much get whatever size TV you'd like. And we also have the fireplace down below. Swinging over here, we have our jackknife sofa, which does turn into a bed. Then we have the true blackout shades back here, so you can adjust how much light you want in. We have a nice big U-shaped dinette. Table's put down right now so you can see how it's kind of going to look when you have it set up to be a bed. And then giant drawers on both sides of the dinette for a lot of storage. And heading into the back, we have our rear bathroom. So behind the mirror, we have our medicine cabinet, sink, a lot of counter space for a bathroom in the camper. Controls for our hot water heaters, so they're not outside, you can do it from inside. Great place to put your towels. And then we have a really big shower, lots of headroom. Toilet's not shoved into the corner, so you can actually sit on it. And yeah, so that is the 26LK. If you have any questions, give us a call at Bowling RV. My name is Jarrett.